How to log in Chase Bank. Welcome to Let Me Help, and let's get right into this tutorial. For this, you need to launch a preferred browser on your device. Search for Chase Bank Login. Now you can select on any of the suggestion of Chase Bank. Just tap on Enroll in Chase Online Banking. You'll be redirected to a new page or a new portal where you can sign in into your account. In the official web page of Chase, at the very top, you should find the button called Sign In. Select on the Sign In button, which is at the top in the dashboard. To sign in, enter your username and your password. Tap on Remember Me if you are on your own device. If you have a token, that is a token number that is provided to you, enter the token number and select on the Sign In button. If you have forgotten any of your username or password, select on Forgot Username or Password. Now, as you can see, there is a couple of steps that you need to fulfill to recover your account. Firstly, in the case of identification, enter a social security number or tax ID. Then enter your account card or application number. If you don't have a social security number, you can enter your DOB. By this way, after a complete step of identification and confirmation, you will get your account back as well. Which has brought us to the end of the video. Thank you so much for tuning in.